In this video, we'll be taking you through the step-by-step installation of the Mira Form single mixer shower. The Mira Form is designed with complete flexibility to offer an easy retrofit over existing mixer showers with compression fittings, or for a brand new installation. Mira Form can retrofit over a wide range of Mira and competitor valves. In this section, we demonstrate a retrofit over a Mira Mini Light with 110mm pipe centers. The inlets can be adjusted between 110 and 153mm and use the existing nut and olive to make the watertight connection from the previous shower. For 153mm centers, no adjustment is needed, and the valve can be fitted as supplied. For other pipe centers, please refer to the installation guide for instructions. Remove old valve and fittings. Existing pipes, compression nuts, and pipe concealing plates can be left in place. The valve can be offered to the wall and marked for drilling. Loosely fit the valve to the inlet pipes. Set the mixing valve level and mark the positions of the 4 fixing holes. All 4 fixing points are required to fit the valve to the wall. Remove the valve from the pipe. The wall can then be drilled, taking care to avoid the pipework in the wall cavity. Please use the wall plugs provided, or those more appropriate for the wall material, if necessary. Water supplies should be flushed before fitting the valve. This prevents debris from blocking the filters or corrosive fluxes causing damage to the valve mechanism or seals. Place the mixing valve over the inlet pipes. Finger tighten both the compression nuts and then fix the mixing valve to the wall using the 4 provided fixing screws. Tighten the compression nuts using a suitable spanner while supporting the elbow using a 6mm hex key. Check level and adjust if needed. Filters are integrated into the valve and can be accessed for cleaning or replacements using the 6mm hex key. Slide the shroud over the valve and push until clipped. Ensure the shroud is the correct way up and drive features match. The shroud should clip into place. Pull the shroud gently to ensure it's securely fixed. The temperature dial can then be fitted, aligning the top of the cartridge with the temperature override button on the dial. Should the hot and cold supplies be reversed for any reason, the cartridge can be rotated to accommodate, without the need to adjust the pipework. Simply loosen the 4 valve screws and remove the mixing valve from the body. The valve is color-coded, blue for cold and red for hot. Rotate the valve 180 degrees and insert into the valve body. Push firmly and retighten the 4 valve screws to secure the mixing valve in place. Once the valve is in the correct position for your supply pipework, we can now install the slide bar assembly. For retrofit installations, the existing hole locations can be used to secure the slide bar. For new installations, we recommend hole centers of 630mm. Mark the 2 fixing hole locations, ensuring the holes are vertically aligned. The wall can then be drilled. Insert the wall plugs provided, or those more appropriate for the wall material if necessary. Install the mounting brackets, with the retaining clip facing up on the upper bracket and down on the lower bracket. Check for vertical alignment and tighten using the 2 provided fixing screws. Press the buttons on both sides of the clamp bracket and install the clamp bracket onto the slide bar. Slide the smaller of the two holes in the hose retaining ring over the slide bar. Assemble the slide bar supports to the slide bar, with the securing holes matching the wall fixing. Adjust the slide bar supports to the required spacing and push the slide bar supports onto the wall fixings until they click. Gently pull on the slide bar to ensure it's securely fixed. Push the slide bar ends into the open ends of the slide bar. Screw the hose onto the handset and tighten to ensure a watertight seal. Take care to feed the hose through the hose retaining ring to comply with water regulations. Flow regulators are supplied for use on high-pressure plumbing systems and are installed in between the valve outlet and the hose. Refer to the installation guide for more information on the benefits of installing these. The water supply can then be reinstated and the shower fully tested and commissioned. Refer to the installation guide for more information on commissioning the valve. Your Mira Form single is now ready for use.